Hello everybody, this is Out of the Box Unboxing, and in today's episode I'm going to review for you and share some opinion regarding this coffee machine. Regarding, first of all, color, it's a question of taste, but I do like this nice shiny red color. It's also available in other colors, but yeah, it will look nice in the kitchen, in the office, wherever you put it. What you get for something like 30 euros, 30 something, exact price will be in the description below. You will get, of course, coffee machine that has 1.2 liter stainless steel thermal, how to say, cup, not cup. Lidl is calling it carafe, whatever they want to call it. And what is annoying? This is a nice feeling. It has a quite nice feeling. It's made out of stainless steel, as I mentioned, but handling, it's a little bit less nice to touch. And this top cup, it feels it's terrible. So very good, decent pour, but okay, most of the time you will not touch it, maybe just for the cleaning reasons. Also some marking points for sealing and unsealing. Okay, this is the 1.2 liter carafe according to Lidl. Other nice features: it has a timer, 24-hour timer, so you can really set up it, or you can choose the hour that you want to have your coffee, and it will be fresh and hot. So very nice feature. Water tank capacity is for 10 cups, which is, I think, enough. What is not nice, it's the actually you are not able to clean it because it's unremovable, and also you have this part of the mechanism, opening mechanism in between, so it's slightly annoying, but which is ironic. For coffee you can have this nice handling, and of course the spoon, but here actually you don't need this handling because you are just putting your paper filters and you can easily take them out and clean it. But for storage tank you cannot, so removing of water will actually requires maneuvering of whole coffee machine. Okay. And also the last feature, what is also important, the power of this unit is 1000 watts, which is I think enough for coffee. I will now remove the foil and plug it in, and we will see how it's looking when it's turned on. Of course, I didn't mention, but it is here included heating pad, so your coffee will remain hot as long as you wish. Okay, we have some electricity, but you know what I have spotted? The display, it's a little bit, it's not even. You see it? It's slightly shifted on the right side. Annoying. Okay. I'm trying to manage that. You. Okay. It's invisible for you. Okay, 12. Timer. We can set up hour, minutes. Okay. Okay, that requires some manual to be read and applied. But is it generating some temperature? Not. Now I can feel almost instantly it's generating some heat which is enough to keep coffee hot. But still, on downsize, and now when I really touching it, okay, it's empty because it's designed to have water here, but really, come on, take a closer look. Just to clean it, you have to take it with you. I think in long run, even for home usage, it will be annoying. Here it fits quite nice. Okay, my recommendation for home usage, okay, for the office, so. But as always, you are buying on your own risk. Okay, I will plug it out. So, thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.